Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So this week, Aldi brings you an exclusive lineup of kitchen equipment that will take your cooking to new heights. So join me as I unveil the must-have Aldi finds for the week of January 24th. All right, our first section is the Valentine's Day section, and first up, we have the Be Happy Valentine Day card kits. Each kit includes 8 cards, a gift, and a twisty tie. You can get anything from rubber duckies to sticky hands, bracelets, bubbles, and heart springs. They are only $1.99 a pack. We have the Disney Heart Capsule. You can choose from Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, or Adorables Valentine mini figure capsules for only $2.99. We have the Huntington Home Galentine's Candle. It does come in 4 different scents for $3.99 each. We have the Jazzware 8-inch Valentine Squishmallow. We have 6 different Squishmallows for only $7.99. Next up, we have the Licensed Kids Valentine cards. It is available in 6 different designs, including Disney Princess, Minecraft, Peppa Pig, Pets, Harry Potter, Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. 32 Valentine cards, and it is only $1.99 per pack. We have the men's or ladies 2-pack Valentine socks for $1.99 each. We have the MGA Entertainment Miniverse Lifestyle Series, only $7.99. We have the Nido Heart or Gummy Bear, only $2.99. The Pembroke Pop-Up Valentine's Day cards, only $1.99 each. We have the Pembroke Valentine's Day regular cards for 99 cents. And we have the Play-Doh Valentine's Day pack. You get 15 little mini Play-Dohs for only $4.99. We have the small Build Your Own Valentine's Day box. These are really cool for only $3.99. And the last item in this section is the Squishmallow 12-inch Everyday Squishmallow for only $12.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Ambiano 3-quart digital air fryer for $39.99. We have the Ambiano triple slow cooker for $34.99 as well. I like the 3 different pots here. I think this is really cool. We have the Crofton 10-inch cast iron skillet, only $12.99. It is pre-seasoned. We have the Crofton 16-piece durable food storage set for only $7.99. And we have the Crofton 4-piece glass bake and store for $9.99. The Crofton 9-quart stainless steel stock pot, $24.99. And we have the Crofton bamboo divided serving board. It comes in 2 different styles. You can get it where it has a 5 section or a 6 section for $12.99. And we also have the Crofton divided serving tray. You can get it in round or square. It has 6 or 5 serving trays as well for $12.99. We have the Crofton pizza pans. It does come in assorted varieties for only $3.49. And the last item in the kitchen section is the Reader Link Influencer Cookbook. You can choose between Knife Drop, Healthy Girl, or Baking Yesteryear for $16.99. And friends, I watched this Dylan Hollis from the Baking Yesteryear. I want this book so bad because I love to do a once-a-month vintage recipe, kind of like a throwback, should we keep it or throw it back kind of deal. So I really want to get my hands on this cookbook. And now we're heading into the decor section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Huntington Home 14-ounce candle. You can choose from 4 different scents for only $4.49. Now we're heading into the garden and patio section. First up, we have the Fresh Flower Bouquet, assorted varieties for $4.99. And we also have the Petite Succulent Assorted Plants. It is quite a few to choose from here, friends, and they are only $4.99 each. Now we're moving into the apparel section. First up, we have the Lily and Dan children's fleece lined leggings. They come in 3 different designs for only $5.99 each. We have the Sarah Ladies 3-piece satin sleep set. You can choose from 4 different designs for only $14.99. And friends, we have the matching leggings here. We have the Sarah Ladies fleece lined leggings, 3 different designs, and they are $7.99 a piece. And the last item in this section is the Sarah Ladies oversized cardigan. You can get it in black, navy, pink, or red for $14.99. Now we're going to go ahead and move into the kids and baby section. First up, we have the Anchor Play Dig Kit. You can choose from 4 different kits, only $4.99 each. We have the Bonnier First Picture Dictionary. You can choose from science, space, my first 100 words, my first animals, only $4.99 each, friends. We have the Igloo Books, padded board books. You can choose from 1 in a Million Kisses, I Love You Mommy, I Love You Daddy, Love Goes a Long Way, Light Up My Heart, and I Love You This Much, only $4.99 each. We have the Fidel Night Light and book set. How adorable are these? You can get Disney Princess, the Disney Baby, Forrest and Friends, many to choose from, only $9.99. Next up, we have the Learning Journey Crawl About. You can choose from the bee, the butterfly, or the ladybug, only $12.99. We have the Learning Journey Learn With Me. They have the fishbowl, cookies jar, piggy bank, or elephant for only $14.99. And the last item in this section is the Learning Journey Techno Towels. These things are really cool. Comes in 4 different designs for only $4.99. Now we're moving right along to the beverage section. We do only have 1 item here, and it's the Pure Aqua Mini Mixer Can Soda Water. Unfortunately, an image is not available, and you will need to see your store for prices. Now we're going to go ahead and move right into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop Triple Chocolate Cookie for only $3.95. We have the Red Velvet Bites and Cinnamon Coffee Cake. Unfortunately, image is not available, and that is $4.29. And the last item in this section is the Pretzilla Pretzel Bites, only $5.29. Friends, this is a really good price on these pretzels. I was trying to get them right around Christmas time for my son. He was going to a party, and I was doing queso dip with these pretzel bites, and I couldn't find them anywhere. And when I finally did, they were like $7 or $8 for this. So this is a really, really good price. And now we're moving right along to the snacks section, which is, my favorite. And of course, the first item up is the Clancy's Buffalo Wing or Parmesan Garlic Kettle Chips. Y'all know I love my chips. $1.99 per bag. Next up, we have the Clancy's Hint of Lime Tortilla Chips. They are $1.95 a bag. We have the Clancy's Loaded Bacon and Cheddar or Fried Pickle Ranch Wavy Potato Chips. Oh, Aldi, what are you doing to me this week? Oh, my goodness, friends. Only $2.19 a bag. Oh, I love these. Next up, oh, my goodness, I like these too. The Clancy's Onion Snack Rings. Oh, my goodness, friends, $1.99 a bag. We have the Clancy's Popcorn, no image available, and they are $1.79 a bag. We have the Clancy's Pretzel Slims. You can choose from bacon habanero or garlic parmesan for only $2.19. We have the Clancy's Salt and Vinegar or Hot Barbecue Chips. What, am I going to have to buy 15 bags of chips this week? Image not available, only $2.19 a bag. We have the Dots Pretzels, only $6.94. We have the Enlightened Bada Bean Bada Boom for only $3.49. You can get buffalo wings, sea salt, or zesty ranch. We have the General Mills Nacho Bugles, $3.96. We have the Nabisco Nutter Butter cookies for only $4.92 each. And the last item in this section is On the Border Cafe Style Tortilla Chips. And friends, these are one of my favorite chips, only $2.49 each. And now we're going to move into the deli section. First up, we have the Casa Mamita Cheese Dip Chipotle Salsa con Queso. What do they have? Like medium and, the green, oh, goodness, the green chili. Anyway, another favorite, $2.29. Oh my goodness. We have the Clancy's Queso Blanco Cheese Melt for $7.79. We have the Mama Cozy's Chocolate Chunk Pizza Cookie. Oh, that sounds interesting. Would have loved to seen a picture on that, but unfortunately no images available. $3.99. We have the specially selected Panino Roll, $4.99. Unfortunately, no image is available. We have the Tomb Original or Buffalo Garlic Dips for $4.89. And now we're moving right along into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Appetitos Mac Bites. We have the bacon ones or the buffalo chicken for $4.49. Next up, we have the Appetitos Original Soft Pretzels. You get 6 pretzels for $2.49. We have the Appetitos Spinach Artichoke Dip, $4.99. We have the Breakfast Best Protein French Toast Sticks for $4.49. We have the Casa Mamita Family Size Chicken and Cheese Enchiladas, $14.99. It does serve 8. We have the El Monterey Southwest Chicken Taquitos, only $7.98 for 18 taquitos. We have the Kirkwood 5-pound chicken wings for $9.95. Friends, that's a really, really good deal on that. We have the Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen Premium Tavern Pizza. You can get extra loaded cheese pizza or extra loaded supreme pizza for $5.49. And we have the Roseland Barbecue Baby Back Ribs, $8.99 each. And we have the Season's Choice Keto Blend. You can get cherry berry or pineapple greens for only $7.49. And the last item in this section is the Totino's Pepperoni Pizza Rolls for $10.19 each. Now we're moving along into the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the fresh FPBI chicken thighs. You will need to see store for price. We have the salt and pepper or barbecue seasoned brisket, $5.29 per pound. And the last item in this section is Simply Nature FP Organic Grass-Fed 8515 ground beef. It is $4.49 per pound, and it is sold in 4-pound packages for a total of $17.96. Now we're heading into the Pantry Essentials section, which is our last section. First up, we have the Brookdale Chunk Chicken Breast 4-pack for $9.99 each. Next up, we have the Mateo's Salsa for $4.54. We have the Sucker Punch Bread and Butter Pickles for only $4.99. We have the Tostitos Medium Salsa for $4.48. And the last item in this section is the Tostitos Spinach Dip, and it is only $4.48. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go over and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week for more exciting Aldi finds.